Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chili mac. The ingredients that we're going to need today are chicken broth, elbow macaroni, olive oil, petite diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, pinto beans, chili powder, ground cumin, ground black pepper, sour cream, which is optional, sea salt, Mexican blend, shredded cheese, garlic cloves, onion, scallions, that's optional also, and a pound of ground beef. I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need 4 cups of chicken broth, 3 cups of elbow macaroni, 2 15.5 ounce cans of pinto beans, and you want to drain them, 3 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce, 1 14.5 ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. You want to leave the juice in it. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 whole onion diced, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and also 1 cup of the Mexican blend shredded cheese. To a pot of boiling water, we're going to add in our 3 cups of elbow macaroni. You want to add a pinch of salt to the water. And we're only going to cook our elbow macaroni until they're al dente. So we're going to cook them for about 6 minutes. To a heated pan, we're going to add in our pound of ground beef. And all we're going to do is break it down and cook it until it's all brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to turn off the heat. We're going to remove it and drain it of any excess grease, and we're going to set it in a bowl to the side. Once your elbow macaroni is done, you want to go ahead and drain it and set it in a bowl to the side. Next, in a heated Dutch oven, I'm going to add in my olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Next, I'm going to add in my onion, and I'm going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add in your minced garlic, and you want that to saute for 1 minute. Now you can add your ground beef, and all you want to do is mix until well combined. Now you want to add in all of your spices. And you can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our diced tomatoes. Go ahead and mix that up. We're going to add in our tomato sauce and also our pinto beans. You can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Guys, you want to have it on medium-high heat. And now we're going to add in our chicken broth. You want to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined, and you want to bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, we can go ahead and add in our macaroni. And you want to mix that until it's well combined. And you want to lower your heat to medium. You're going to mix occasionally, and we're going to let it cook for 10 more minutes. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, turn off your heat. We're going to go ahead and mix that up. Look how delicious that looks. Now we're going to add in our cup of our Mexican blend shredded cheese. All you want to do is mix that until everything is nice and melted. Look how it thickened it up some. Okay guys, so I have my chili mac in the bowl. So if you want to, you can add some sour cream onto the top. And I have some scallions cut up. You can add them also. And also some of your Mexican blend cheese. Okay guys, so here we have it, our chili mac. It's a budget friendly meal and you can make it in 30 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.